now we're gonna make the Uranus Mark II mod. And here it is. Fold it, and if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video at any time. Now, make it pull from the corner and push it down to the line. Now pull those and fold that down to the line and try to make it good. But if you can't, you can always restart. If I try to see it and do it, then boom, now see, now we have that, and now I think you fold it and get that point right perfectly there.
Now it'll be a little hard to fold here, but you just have to uncrease it and make sure.
Right. Now I think you flip it and then you fold it. Try to make them look even and make them even. Now you go back, fold that upward. Make that look like that. Now fold this in.
Press them really hard because the paper's really thick here.
Yeah, and then you fold the wings. Now you have to defold this, then boom, you have it. And now you have to fold this and fold this, then it should lie perfectly straight like that. And that is how you make the Uranus II mod.
Okay, we use this book. It's not sponsored, but it really helped us make all these different types of airplanes. Everything in here has, like, there's great types of airplanes, everything you could possibly think of.
And also, I learned that Uranus II. So I have to get it, but I kind of made my own version of it. I just kind of accidentally did it, and that just flew even better. I don't know why, but
yeah. Also,
so let me show it to you. Here it is, Uranus Arc 2.
As you can see, this is what we made, but we made a little better version of it. That way it'll fly much smoother than this one. I tried this one earlier. Let me set this down. And it didn't turn out as well when you flew it, so.
And like, see, this was my first version, and it could fly really good. Just like perfectly straight, and I just showed you a tutorial of how to make my own version.
And this is the version from the book, and it does not fly as straight. This is what I made. It looks exactly like the picture, except it doesn't work as well.
Like just.
So that's why we came up with this. Okay.
So this is Aliza.
Hi.
And so she was behind the camera the whole time. So since this video wouldn't be made without her.
Yeah, and it wouldn't be made without Marshall.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Subscribe. Ah!
Let's get this to 7 million.